If you're seeing Gmail error code 12, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary loading, sync, or browser session issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Gmail working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, before changing anything on your browser, check whether Gmail or Google services are having a problem. Open your browser and go to the Google Workspace status dashboard. If Gmail is experiencing an outage, the issue is on Google's side, and the best thing to do is wait until service is restored. If the status page looks normal, the next step is to refresh Gmail itself. Open Gmail in your browser and sign into your inbox. Sometimes error code 12 appears because the session simply needs a fresh reload. A quick refresh can re-establish the connection and clear the temporary loading issue. If Gmail still does not load properly, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Gmail from loading correctly. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Delete Browsing Data and select Cached Images and Files. Then clear the data and restart your browser. After that, go back to Gmail and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the problem, the next thing to try is disabling browser extensions. Extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Gmail's scripts and break the page load. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. Once they're disabled, reload Gmail and test it again. If Gmail opens normally, one of those extensions was causing the issue. You can then leave it off or re-enable extensions individually to find the exact one creating the conflict. If you've tried all of that and Gmail still shows error code 12, try opening Gmail in a private or incognito window. If it works there, that usually confirms the issue is related to your browser cache, cookies, or extensions. You can then go back and clear more browser data or remove the extension causing the conflict. At this point, most users will have fixed the problem by checking the service status, refreshing Gmail, clearing cache, and disabling extensions. These are the most effective steps because error code 12 is usually not a permanent account problem. It's almost always a browser or session issue that can be resolved in a few minutes. So to recap, first check the Google service status, then refresh Gmail, then clear your cache, and finally disable browser extensions if needed. Follow those steps in order, and in most cases Gmail will start loading normally again. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. And if you want more Gmail fixes, be sure to check out the next tutorial on the channel.